It's been 1 month already. That's the only time I have to be here. 9 years ago, I left this place with a lot of bad memories, and now I've come back to replace them all with good ones. I believe this hasn't just helped me, but it also helped them. At first, I thought this beautiful place helped me heal because it's so special, but now I realize it's the person you're with that makes it special, and the steps you take together help you heal.
Hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko o ano eh.
Sakit sa ulit dyan.
Hindi niya talaga sinabi sa'yo. Pero huwag ka mabibigla. Bigla, baka magdawag to si daddy.
Buti si ate.
Hindi. Mas malala. Pupunta siya dito sa Sunday.
Sunday?
Excited ka na, daddy? Excited ka na?
Yung damit.
Dali, balik ka doon. Balik ka doon. Kasi mag-boom ka na dali mo. Video mo.
Okay.
Take tayo ha. Rolling mo na. Okay, go. Oh, doon! Ba't ka mo?
Oh my God!
Gusto lang magpalik. Doon ka, lumayo ka sa akin, hindi kita ililibre.
Nagkaroon ng PT dahil broken hearted, walang mahan. Because she needs to move on. She's gonna... Anong gagawin mo dito, ate?
Babariling kita.
Hello guys, so I know I didn't post for like 2 weeks now, but to be honest with you, I think I need to redeem myself, that's why. And the good thing is we're back, so.
Tao po! May yellow po kayo? Hello? Do you have eyes?
Pagkabas sa pulis talaga. Yung sa ano talaga, galit na galit. No?
Bukas pa. Guys, patay mo na yung TV.
Hindi, manonood ako.
Maaga ka rin gigising, maglalaba ka.
Sige mo naman ako eh.
Sige, maglalaba ka.
That little Swiss Isabella, where flowers smile and send their perfume by every summer breeze. It stirs my memories of long ago.
So it's been amazing, and Philippines really helped me to redeem myself once again, since I'm here with my family. I never really paid attention to a lot of things growing up, and one of my fulfilling tasks is I'm going to visit everybody, including the dead ones. So now we're currently at my auntie's grave.
Tita, nasan tayo?
Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Ate Jen, hawak namin ng anak mo. Kailangan magpadala ka ng 5,000 hanggang 10,000 bago lumubog ang araw. Kung hindi,
Tapos wag ka magpaplano ka, mag-clear ka mo. Kasi walang zoom yung part.
A few moments later.
Let's go. Sir, pwede namang maghugas if ever. Ay, pag wala pang bayad, pwede. Pwede naman, no? Pwede daw.
Oo, router. Ano, tita?
tayo ay nasa fine dining donut. 6 of this and a little bit of this.
Jayco acquired!
Yay!
May Jayco na tayo, may nauto!
Yay!
Mga Gen Z, may natatae.
May kiraan! Natatay na!
Bahala ka dyan, Ruto. Taing-taing na ako. Ay, shh! Game. Kung sino first touch. Tabi! Ay, nako. Pa. Hello guys, so we're currently at SM North EDSA and I'm here with my sister. So we specifically came here for the classes, but we're having a family time. Family time.
Blind box or ano? Plushie.
Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Top toy daw to.
Go ask for permission.
Ate ganda, pwede ba to?
Ayun na guys, magbabayad na siya.
Yay! May nauto!
Why are you so nice today? Can I?
I'm not mine.
Why?
May nakulat ako, Dono!
Totoo? Da?
Ayun ba? Yes, ma'am.
Ang saya talaga ng may ate. Ang saya talaga ng may ate. Thank you.
Dito po tayo. Left foot first po tayo. Dito po kayo. Dito po kayo.
Hey, first! Hey, 50! Talo! Luge! Guys, so now we are going to pick up my new glasses. Thank you to my sponsor.
Thank you to me for sponsoring his eyeglasses.
Yay, finally we got it! So guys, this is the glasses. I like it. It's also, you know, the quality is like 10 out of 10 if I'll be honest with you. This is the package. Woman of Trump. Wow! Oh my god, it has everything that you need. Thank you! Thank you! Okay, lalabs time. Okay, at least lalabs time. Guys. Nang-aatake siya, Elise. Elise, pagtanggol mo ako, Elise! Elise, sige! So she got lucky. So now I'm gonna ask her, what's something fulfilling for you today?
The moment we had earlier, bro.
Totoo ba yan?
Pero yung ano din, the things I got earlier.